Thank you for joining me in my SAP S for HANA training. We will try to create a transaction using FB60 to check the configuration for the defined tolerance groups for employees in OBA4 and assigned, which is assigned to user or employee tolerance group OB57. So let's go to FB60. So let's put in our supplier and then invoice date. Let's use today. Let's calculate tax. Let's search for our GL account. Let's the chart of accounts is correct. ZAB2. That's my chart of accounts. I click checked. Let's sort by GL account and let's choose electricity expense. I hit enter and then let's put an amount of 5,000 GBP. Let me hit enter. And we need a tax code for this expense, which let's use V1 and let's put in test for tolerance test. Okay, so the amount of 5,000 GBP was allowed. Let's check our configuration in first in OB57, my user account, /O to open a new window, and then type in OB57. It's locked by APP0. We just need to display it, so let's click yes. So my user account is this one, and the AB2 tolerance group was assigned to this account. So let's open a new window to check the details of the tolerance group. That's /O, and then let's go to our T code, OBA4. OBA4. Okay, this is a tolerance group for users. So let's go to the tolerance group. The default first, the default tolerance group is blank. My company code is TUK2. I hit enter. We can highlight this or double click and click. We may highlight it and click to see details. So if the amount per item account is this value, this it means that we have a large amount tolerable for this account for our blank or default group. So let's go back and check the tolerance group that we have assigned to my user ID, which is ZBA2 and company code TUK2. Okay, let's double click or you can highlight and check details. The amount per item for this account is 5,000 GBP. So our transaction was allowed. That's okay. Let's try to change it by increasing it to 1 GBP. Let's click hit enter. So it was allowed in the line items. But let's recompute for the total amount of the transaction. I erase the amount and hit enter. Now it shows the error which that we want to see. That it says that I can only enter an amount within 5,000 GBP. Okay, so let's go back Let's change this and put in 1 to make sure that this is the tolerance group that is affecting the user account. Let's save it. Okay. Define tolerance groups for employees. That's it. So let's go back to our transaction. Let's try to hit enter. It's still not allowed. We may need to get out of the trans this transaction and go back again. So let's go out. Yes, and then FB60. Put in our supplier again and invoice date. Okay, calculate tax and our GL account. Let's search for it again. Click enter and sort by GL account. We will use our electricity expense. And let's put an amount of 5,001. Hit enter. We need the tax. Let's use V1 and put the text and hit enter. It was calculated and it was accepted. So our testing for this configuration shows that it's correct that this affects the total amount of our transaction in FB60. So let's just put this back 5,000 GBP and we have saved it and the data was saved. Okay, so I think that's it. We have proven that our configuration is working. So thank you for joining me in my training. Please hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to receive new updates of my training.